How to log in to HelloFresh account. For this, open a browser and search for www.hellofresh.com. Once you do this, you have to verify that you are a human, so go ahead and verify yourself. You will be redirected to the home page of HelloFresh. Now to log in at the very top, you should see the bubble of login. All you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on this login option. To log into your account, just go ahead and enter your email address and a password that is linked to your HelloFresh. If you have forgot your password, simply tap on Forgot Password, then tap on Login. You can log in without password, that is using your email, where it will send you a link and you can just tap on it and you'll be logged in to your account. You can also log in using Google, Apple, and your Facebook ID as well. If you do not have an account, simply tap on Sign Up. Then, enter an email address and a password to log in to your HelloFresh account. Then, there will be 4 more steps to complete your account. That is to select a plan, enter your delivery address, select a menu, and checking out. Once you do this, you will be able to successfully sign up to your HelloFresh account. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.